Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning Channel, English Vocabs. Today, we are going to learn 30 action vocabularies. Walk. I knew him by his walk. Ride. Do you want to go out for a ride? Laugh. He makes me laugh. Dance. I like to dance to the music on the radio. Run. He can run very fast. Clean. Keep your shoes clean. Drink. Don't drink and drive. Write. Stand. She was standing near the window. Jump. He was jumping up and down with excitement. Read. I read at least one book every month. Play. I love to play with little sister. Cry. And the child began to cry. Sweep. The porch needs a good sweeping. Work. I work at home. Eat. It looks too good to eat. Sleep. Last night was very hot and muggy, and I didn't sleep very well. Carry. He was carrying a briefcase. Wash. We have to wash the dishes. Talk. I need to have a talk with you. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.